How's it, guys? Welcome back. This is Simplified price action, and today we're just going to be covering two topics, or one topic rather. We're going to be covering impulse and correction moves, right? So what do you need to know about impulse and correction moves? The first thing you need to know is what an uptrend is and what a downtrend is, and what consolidating means, right? So when you talk about uptrend, we basically mean that the market is moving in the upwards direction, and it's making higher lows and higher highs all the way up, right? That's what we mean when we talk about an uptrend, right? And now when you're talking about downtrends, we basically mean that the market is moving downwards and it's making lower lows and lower highs, right? These are your lower highs and these are your lower lows, right? And if we talk about the market consolidating, we basically mean that the market is just ranging, it's moving sideways with no clear direction. So impulse move and correction moves, you apply this in uptrends, downtrends, and consolidating areas, right? So you would have, for example, an uptrend, and you know with uptrends we're always looking for buy opportunities, right? So every time the market buys and it moves to a support, the sell movement towards the support, it's called our correction move, and the buy, it's called our impulse move, right? So in an uptrend, whenever you're looking for buys, we're looking to attack impulse moves, right? So the basics of uptrends is to look for buying opportunities, and every sell we see to the support, it's a correction move, meaning every buying opportunity we get, it's an impulse move, right? And in a downtrend, the same thing applies. In a downtrend, we're looking for what? Selling opportunities, right? So every buy to the resistance in a downtrend, it represents our what? Our correction move. Why? Because the main move is a sell and the main move is our impulse move. So anything that is not a sell, we call it a correction because it's going along the trend, right? Now if the chart is moving sideways or consolidating or ranging, what it means basically is we might have a bullish rally, right? Then we'd find that the market starts consolidating sideways, right? So this bullish rally, we consider this as our impulse move, and we consider the ranging or the consolidating area our correction move. Why? Because the main move is a buy, and now we just have a consolidating area which is our correction. And what are we looking for? We're looking for more buys to continue the buy movement, right? So how do you identify this on the chart? Let's move to the chart. Right here we have AUD USD, right? So by looking at this, we can see that Euro USD has entered into a downtrend, right? Why? Because we see that we have a high where the trend line starts, and we have a lower high where the trend line by the black trend line, and we have lower lows, right? If you can identify them, right? So in a downtrend, I told you that the impulse move is the overall direction of the trend, meaning it's a sell. So in this case, our impulse move is this movement from the resistance to the support, and now we're looking for our correction. Our correction is what? This area from the support to the resistance, of which it was a buy, that's our correction move. But overall we're looking for what? For sales, right? So you would have this move, and as you can see, we have a continuation pattern which I might cover in the next few videos. And what pattern is it? It's a bearish flag. I'm sure you guys can see it right here. Yes, I've tried to draw it as accurately as possible. So it's in a downtrend. Our impulse move is from the high to the lower low, and our correction is the little buy movement we have here around this area to the resistance. So now what are we looking for now? We're looking for potential sell movement, because as you can see from this part to where we are currently, this is in a downtrend, right? And we're looking to have a lower low to possibly this area right here, which will be our next impulse move, because impulse move is a direction that takes the overall trend direction, right? So we're looking for a possible impulse move to this area right here, the green area, where we'll also look for buying opportunities, and we'll take that as a correction move, because you know that the movement that opposes the trend is a correction move. So after reaching the green area for sales, we're going to be looking for buys towards the trend line resistance around this area, where we're going to be entering possibly more sales if the market doesn't break above this trend and continues higher. So basically those are the basics of impulse and correction moves. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Please like the video and share it to as many people who want to learn Forex, as this channel is about helping people understand Forex for free. Remember guys, I'm not charging anything. This is all for free. And if you want to join our VIP group, you can contact the number in the description box, or you can email us at simplifiedpriceaction@gmail.com. I'll also drop a link for our free group where I'll be sending free signals. But not as much as the VIP group, because I have to focus on the VIP group, right? So if you just want to join this VIP group to raise funds to join our VIP, you can do that. I'll be sending 2 to 3 signals per week. That's the most I can try. As you can see guys, TPs being hit, analysis being sent. And remember guys, the strategies used in the videos, it's not part of the strategy we use at SPA. So if you want to join the free group, I'll drop the link in the description. If you want to join the VIP group, I'll drop the contact details in the description box. Without further ado, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, you can just contact us. Have a good day.